We are here where the yellow star is, and we're going to go all the way down here to Tennessee Beach.
Thank you.
So, human, would you just leave me alone? What's this? Beach TLC station.
It's pretty cool.
Take a repurposed bag, pick up trash, report what you picked up, place in nearest trash can. Is there a logbook in there?
I don't think so.
So where are you supposed to report it?
I have no idea.
I like the idea.
Yeah. I'll just pick up trash.
And then someone left some nice glasses here.
Just chilling.
The glasses are chilling. Hey everyone.
Hello.
Welcome back to the Ryan and Paul show today. Today we're in Marin County, California.
Chilling.
Chilling.
Like, what? Where are we? Strawberry? Or like Mill Valley?
We're technically in Tam Junction. And you go down this road called Tennessee Valley Road, and guess where you end up? At a dead end in a parking lot to go to Tennessee Valley Beach.
And that's where we're heading.
And that's where we're heading now. It's about maybe a mile walk to the beach from the parking lot, but it's very easy. There's no big hills or anything.
Chill walk.
So come along on this beautiful January day, 2025, and see what we can discover on our walk today.
Come on down.
Looks like this area got some storm damage. One of those massive eucalyptus trees fell down.
Oh, that got cut.
Yeah.
That fell. Oh, big tire.
Yeah.
Look at the big tire.
Big old semi-truck tire down there. I wonder what that's about. Right after this bridge, we ran into this crossroads. You can take this fire road up to Muir Beach, it's 3.2 miles. Or go to the beach where we're going, 0.6. And the parking lot from here is 1.2, so it's more like 1.8 to the beach from the parking lot. Getting closer. Just came over the little peak here. But what a nice day it is out here today. Well, here we are. We made it. Flood risk. Tsunami danger. Risk of catastrophic sudden flooding at beach in the event of a dam failure. In the event of a dam failure? Where's the dam?
I don't know.
You are here. Pond dam. Really?
Oh, maybe it's that pond back there.
You basically don't be out here if it's pouring rain. Okay, we're going down. Going down to the beach. We made it. Hip hip hooray. It's a little bit of a creek to cross. Got a hill up there. There's a bunker straight ahead where that plane is coming over. But as you can see, it's like your own little secluded beach out here. And there's a decent amount of people out here for a Tuesday afternoon, but not out of control or anything. I'm gonna cross and try not to fall in. Very, very nice. Yeah. If you were an archaeologist, you'd have field day here if all these layers, sediment layers after sediment layers of reality of the world in the past. Got these friendly ravens here, chilling. wanting some of my salad. I brought my bird food along. Roasted unsalted peanuts. See if these ravens will enjoy it. I'm sure they will. Lame. You gonna let your girlfriend get some?
So long. Oh,
Wow.
Oh, someone's the alpha of the group.
There you go.
Get it.
Yeah. You gotta psych him out, get him far away, and throw him to her.
Yeah.
Bully doesn't get it. The only way is to separate. Here. Boy, he's intimidating, isn't he? Here we have the natural selection, as you see. The big irritating male is saying, listen, stay away from my peanuts, biatch. And she's all, man, whatever. It's kind of strange to think that it's January 21st and on the East Coast and 90% of the country is freezing. I saw on the news this morning and it was snowing in Houston, Texas, snowing in Florida, and here in Northern California I'm on the beach here and it's about 63 degrees. So I feel for all the people in the freezing cold, but I'm happy I'm not there. Ryan decided to be a billy goat and go up this hill. Up there's a bunker. I could see him. See if I can get him to wave. Yeah, he's waving. Way up there. That's the kind of stuff I used to do when I was younger. But doing that now is very tough on me. Looks like the tide is starting to come in now. And it's so funny how, you know, you see these ocean tankers out there, container ships, and from this angle it looks like you're below them as far as, you know, it looks like you're under them water wise. This is a bizarre angle to be at. Take a walk over here, see if there's anything interesting to look at in this corner. Looks like the tide might be going out now. When we first got here, it was coming in pretty strong. I'm gonna go check out what looks to be like a cave over here. Well, I just said the tide's going out, and maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's trying to attack me now. Yeah, it's coming in. What looks like a cave from the distance is, it's a cave for a small person. I think I'm gonna get wet if I hang out here. Right around this corner there might be something better. But on that almost 2-mile hike back, I don't want to have wet feet. But look at all these layers of sediment here from over the years. Doesn't look very secure though up above your head. You see up there all the layers. Millions of years of history there. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Not quite. And I didn't see any dangers about swimming on this beach, but for one, the water is extremely cold. And for two, it might have a nasty riptide. You see where those two waves kind of meet and they go out? That's typically a riptide. In the right conditions, it can be way strong and pull you right out to sea. And for those of you who don't know and ever find yourself in that position of being pulled out to sea by a riptide, don't panic and try to swim into shore. Swim parallel and get out of the riptide first, then swim to shore. Because if you try to swim towards the shore in the riptide, it'll be a futile effort. Some more close-ups of those rocks. Layers and layers. If each layer could tell a story, can you imagine what it might have to say?
Alright, so I'm heading up a place where I'm not supposed to go, but I don't really care because there's an abandoned military bunker up there. So, time to go up that. I'll film as much as I can, but I'm probably gonna have to put my camera down just because this is a bit rough. Having to shimmy along the wall because of how contained this is here. Fucking Budweiser can. Oh. It's really narrow. This is like very narrow. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. Oh. This is a perilous climb. Almost there, folks. Path's getting easier. Thank God. And we're here. Beautiful view from the top of the mountain. And here we go. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Talk about a view. Huh. Oh, hello. Holy shit.
Well, I think we're being stalked by a blue heron. He's having fantasies that we are Mises to pieces. But pretty cool that he's letting us get this close. He's looking at us like, whoa, what's up? What's up, bro? And they have such big wingspans. Hello. He's on now. I don't think so. Hello. He's not really scared of people. I wonder if people feed these guys.
Probably used to it.
Nope. It's got like big old ostrich feet.
Yeah.
It's a good shot, huh? Tennessee Beach overlook. It's just hanging out there, watching the sunset. This blue heron is curious about us because it kind of came towards us. Probably saw us feed the ravens. See the bobcat in the bush? Yeah, he's not scared of us at all, huh?
Yeah, he don't care.
That's so sweet. Probably looking for some food.
It's only a little bigger than a house cat, huh?
Thumper's bigger.
What? No way.
Yeah.
Come over here and say that.
Thumper's bigger. Thumper's chunky.
So, human, would you just leave me alone? Well, thanks for coming along with us to the Tennessee Beach, Tennessee Valley Beach.
Thank you.
The highlight was the ocean, obviously, the blue heron, which was amazing.
That was cool. Just chilled there.
It's a great beach, not a lot of people here. A little bit of a walk to get here. It's like almost 4 miles round trip.
Yeah, pretty much.
And then Ryan took you to the top of the cliff there. Anyway, thanks for coming along with us today, and I'll see you on my next video, and maybe Ryan will be in it. Who knows?
Thanks for watching.
Peace.